racing the Bandit. It didn't really end how I wanted it to. Bit of a shame really. Let's go and have a look. Heading down this track doing 220k an hour, coming tank around about 130 and the back end went all squirrely. Thought I had a puncture to begin with, but let's check out the tyre and check out all the oil under here. I thought it might have popped the line. Looks like the oil filter came undone, which is crazy because I had some safety wire all set to do it. So I bought a new oil filter. Hopefully I can just dump the old filter out, dump the remaining oil out, check to see if there's any wreckage in there, and if there's not, I'm actually going to drill the sump plug, put some fresh oil in it and just see what happens. See that there? That's not good. So the mod there is put a hose clip around there, tie some safety wire there, loop it through somewhere around about there, and then stop it from spinning. Basically just prevent it spinning that way. As far as race prep goes, all I did was I taped up the lights, the mirrors off, rear pegs off, number plate, taped up all the lights, took off the grab rail, rear pegs. You know, got to shed some weight, every little bit helps. I considered tidying up the Bandit, but they are so cheap now. I mean, I've seen them for sale $3,500 for really good ones. I mean, mine is pretty tatty and it owes me $2,500, so why would I bother making it look really nice? I mean, it's presentable, it rides nicely, it's got plenty of grunt, it rattles away, but like an old Bandit should. One of the things I did was take off the centre stand. It's quite a hard case because I was getting my boot on the ground. I didn't scrape the pegs, but the boot was really sort of grinding away. One of the mods we had to do was get a zip tie and then loop it around through the side stand like that, just to stop it coming down. Tyres, yeah, I'm not too sure about the tyre. I don't know how long they last with oil over them. I'll give it a really good scrub. At the end of the day, it's getting down anyway, so I might look at a new tyre. Metzeler Roadtech Z8 worked quite well on the track, but there was a limit to the traction, and it was running out of brakes also. That's what you get when you race a sports touring bike with road pads and road tyres. Got to have your crap together. So the next step now will be putting the new oil filter in, so stay tuned for the next part. Get to it. Actually quite a reasonable amount of oil in there. I would estimate about probably 2 litres or so. Still dribbling out. The oil's in pretty good condition too. I think say about 2,000 k's old. I haven't seen any floaty metal bits coming out, but I will inspect it. So now I have one drilled sump plug. Sump plug's a little bit worse for wear. Sump plug now put back in, just hand tight at the moment. The spec is 23 Newton meters of torque. Done. Oil filter time now. Absolutely no oil coming out of it, so looks like whatever was in the oil filter has been pumped out. Right, smear a little bit of oil on here. Stuff should be alright because it's looking pretty good. Smear around the oil seal there. It's not coming off. All good. Now let's put some oil in the baby and actually see if it runs. Now it's time to start it. Let's see if it goes. Give it a few revs. Yeah, it's running a bit ragged. I think I might have to do the carbs again. Right, let's check the oil. Hope you enjoyed all the onboard footage. It's pretty cool, eh? I could have gone heaps faster, but I didn't. I actually wanted to like survive. Quite ironic really, isn't it? Thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned and be safe out there.